Hello everyone, welcome to High Club. Welcome to another episode. I got to set this vlog up on a short span of time since it is very important if you have lost your job, unfortunately. What I want to share with you is there are organizations here in the UAE who can help you up in this difficult time. No one has ever expected this, and also you gotta understand that it is not your fault that you are being one of the victims. Those are just undefined measures which led to an unforeseen situation. I will be posting more videos on this subject to help as much as I can. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel High Club and press the notification button so you will be alerted next time when I release another vlog. And most importantly, pass this information to anyone who seeks assistance in this difficult time. If you have lost your job, faced a salary cut, or struggling to meet your financial needs during this pandemic, the UAE welfare organizations have been working throughout the day and night to ensure those affected financially or otherwise receive necessary social support. However, if you would like to seek assistance from any of these organizations, you may have certain requirements that needs to be fulfilled. While these charity and welfare organizations have been active for many years in the UAE, they have stepped up efforts during the COVID-19 pandemic. And here's how you can reach out to them. Dar Al Ber. As the society processes a certain number of requests a month, the link may not work at times. If the society is not accepting any more requests for the month, the society advises people to reach out on the local contact number given to find out when the applicant can submit their request again. Beit Al Khair. To request a financial assistance, you need to send an email to the following email address. Also, you need to provide the details of your case, your contact information, and any supporting documents. To submit a request for financial assistance, you would need to provide the following documents: passport and residence visa copies, Emirates ID copies, updated salary certificate, a non-employment certificate or the termination letter, tenancy contract, proof of school fees, 3 months bank statements. Sharjah Charity International. To request a financial assistance, visit the following web address. Depending on the type of help you are seeking, for example for rent, for medical assistance or school fees, you would need to provide the following documents according to the charity's requirements published online. A detailed message explaining the negative results of your suffering during the current crisis, a copy of the ID cards of the family members and valid visa of the husband and wife, a letter from the sponsor, employer, or company confirming that the income is stopped with the starting date until the end date, 3 months bank statements, a valid lease contract. The Indian Community Welfare Fund. The Indian Consulate has set up special outreach programs during the COVID-19. The special 24/7 helpline numbers as below. If you need any food or ration assistance, you can write to the mail address right below. Pakistan Association Dubai. The Pakistan Association Dubai has outreach programs that have been going since the COVID-19 pandemic. To request assistance, you need to send an email to the following email address with your case details and all the supporting documents. Each case is assessed by the welfare team and they reach out to the applicants accordingly. Overseas Workers Welfare Association Philippines. The Overseas Workers Welfare Association, or OWWA, has been providing support to people affected by COVID-19. However, To benefit from their various programs, a person has to be an OWWA member. You can get more information on how to become an OWWA member by the contact number or the web address provided below. The Food Assistance Program for OWWA members. You need to download the application form from the web address below, and also you need to fill up the full application along with a copy of your passport, your visa, proof of loss of employment, proof of OWWA membership, and also you need to provide details of your case and send an email to the following email address. One-time financial assistance for COVID-19 infected OWWA members. The documents required: medical report or laboratory result showing that the OWWA member is COVID-19 infected, a copy of your valid passport and visa, the application form, a proof of OWWA membership application of financial assistance for COVID-19 infected members, and your case details, to be sent to the following email address. Kerala Muslim Cultural Center. The KMCC has been doing outreach programs since the COVID-19 pandemic began affecting UAE residents, and has had several welfare programs running even before the health crisis. Currently, the center is providing support for repatriation of Indian expats, as well as providing social support to people affected by COVID-19 on the provided number below. Thank you for watching this vlog, and I hope this will find some valued information for you or someone in need. We all in this together. Subscribe to Aim High Club and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Till I see you again, stay safe, stay strong.